Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change or reset Shopify password. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to head over and you can see this your icon right here, right? So just click on that. Then from in there, you should be able to see this right here on the manage account. So click on that, and then from in here, you should be able to see your Shopify account profile. Now from in here, head over to the security. And on the security right here, you can actually just create a passkey, or you can see in here that you have your password. So if you don't have a password yet, just creating passwords. So for example, let's first create a password for our Shopify. So this method will only appear if you're using the actual Google account in order to make this or sign up for Shopify itself. So if you sign up to Shopify using your actual email and password, we will need to create the password right here. So now we have here a password. So if you want to change your password, you can just click on this change your password right here. And you will be prompted to put in here your current password, your new password, and you just need to confirm it. And then from in there, just click on change password right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.